Hey garden enthusiasts! Did you know that some of the most stunning plants in your garden can climb? That's right, climbing perennials not only add vertical beauty, but also return year after year, making them a smart and sustainable choice for any garden. Whether you're looking to cover a fence, adorn a trellis, or create a lush green wall, these 12 climbing perennials have got you covered. 1. Clematis. Often called the queen of the vines, Clematis offers a dazzling array of flowers in colors ranging from deep purples to soft pinks. These blooms can appear from late spring to early fall, depending on the variety. They're perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any structure. This is my garden. 2. Climbing roses. For a romantic touch, climbing roses are unbeatable. They bloom profusely throughout the summer and come in a spectrum of colors. With proper care, they can transform any arbor or trellis into a fragrant haven. This is my garden. 3. Wisteria. Wisteria is known for its cascading clusters of bluish-purple flowers that hang like grapes. Once established, it can grow vigorously, making it ideal for covering large structures. Just ensure you have a sturdy support system in place. This is my garden. 4. Trumpet vine. This vine is a hummingbird's delight. With its trumpet-shaped orange or red flowers, it attracts pollinators and adds a burst of color. It's a fast grower, so be prepared for its rapid spread. Better homes and gardens. 5. Honeysuckle. Honeysuckle vines are not only fragrant, but also attract bees and butterflies. They can thrive in various conditions, making them versatile additions to your garden. The frugal farm girl. 6. Passionflower. Passionflowers are exotic-looking vines with intricate blooms. They produce edible fruits and are known for their unique appearance. They're also great for attracting pollinators. The frugal farm girl. 7. Climbing hydrangea. This vine offers elegant white lacecap flowers in early summer and has attractive peeling bark in winter. It thrives in shaded areas and can grow up to 50 feet tall, making it perfect for covering walls or fences. Gardening know-how. 8. Dutchman's pipe. With its large heart-shaped leaves and unique pipe-shaped flowers, this vine is a conversation starter. It's excellent for providing shade and privacy. Garden Lovers Club. 9. Akebia. Also known as chocolate vine, Akebia produces fragrant purple flowers and has a fast-growing nature. It's ideal for covering trellises and arbors. Homes and gardens. 10. Crossvine. This vine boasts trumpet-shaped flowers in shades of orange and red. It's evergreen in warmer climates and provides year-round interest. Homes and gardens. 11. Climbing aster. Climbing asters bloom in late summer to fall, providing color when many other plants have finished. They're great for attracting late-season pollinators. Homes and gardens. 12. Chocolate vine. Noted for its unique, chocolate-scented flowers, this vine is both ornamental and fragrant. It's a vigorous grower, so regular pruning is recommended. Homes and gardens. Extra tips. Support structures. Ensure your climbing plants have sturdy support like trellises, arbors, or fences. Some vines, like wisteria and trumpet vine, can become quite heavy. Pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain the shape and health of your vines. For instance, climbing roses benefit from annual pruning to encourage new growth. Companion planting. Combine climbing vines with ground covers or shrubs to create a layered, lush garden. For example, planting hostas at the base of a climbing hydrangea adds texture and interest. If you enjoyed this list of climbing perennials, give us a thumbs up. Have a favorite vine or a gardening tip to share? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening inspiration and tips. Happy gardening!